Attorneys. You're going to need an attorney. But quite frankly, you don't need one right up front. You can incorporate yourself. I started my corporation online. I did it on 1111. On January 1st, 2011, I went online to the state of Illinois and I incorporated myself. Now, how did I determine what type of entity to be? I think that's more of a conversation for you and your accountant. And I think the accountant is the most important person on your team. But you're going to need a lawyer eventually. Things are going to come up. Perhaps you use contracts in your business. You need an attorney to review your contract. But you can go online and find things. You can get contracts from trade associations if you're a member of one. You can get them from friends. My public speaking contract came from my friend Terry, who's been out there public speaking for 15 years. And his contract's been rewritten a whole bunch of times every time sometime he had a problem with his contract. I trust his contract. But I did have my attorney review it. Have attorneys look at these things. You also need to think about an attorneys that are specialists versus sort of the small practitioner. I like the small practitioner. I like the local guy. He's a friend. He's somebody I'll go have lunch with. But once in a while, you're going to need a bigger firm or you're going to need a specialist. I was a non-union commercial construction contractor in Chicago. I had union troubles. They were always harassing me. And so I went to a big legal firm that had a large labor department to defend me. And we won. Cost more, but in this case, I needed Goliath to fight Goliath. There's also all kinds of web-based legal services. Take a look at some of that. It'll bring your costs down. But in the end, you're going to need to know a decent attorney and someone you can call up in a pinch. So start looking for that attorney and making those relationships. I'm John Tsarpalas. You can reach me at john@johntsarpalas.com. Happy to answer any of your questions about small business. I've been in small business for absolutely decades. I love it, and I'd love to help you.